Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jolene and this is Living Land. On today's video, I am going to be cash stuffing some Etsy Pay, and we'll just go ahead and get started, get the money counted. How's everyone doing today? I hope you are doing well. Okay, so 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 7, 8, 9, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So cash stuffing a total of $396 today. And thank you to those that supported my sale this time. That's where this money is coming from. So we will start off by cash stuffing my business binder. Okay. So Canva and P.O. Box are getting skipped this time. I stuffed those during my last stuffing. Business taxes, though, like always, is getting some money, and this is going to get $120, so 120. So now 1,500 in the bank. 6, 7, 8, 59, 20, 40, 60, 80, 2,000, 20, 40, 45, 2,045. And then business debt is going to get 40, so 20 and 40, and now 20, 40, 61 in business debt. Okay, shipping is going to get 17, so 10, 15, 16, and 17. So now shipping has 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 6, 7, 8, 9, 59. And supplies is going to get 100, broken down in a particular way. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 100. And now supplies has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80, 1, and 2. So 282. And I just always have change in here so that I can pull from it if I need to just grab some cash real quick to run to Michael's, or when I unstuff that I already have, because I never know how much I'm going to spend on supplies or how much I'm going to need. Equipment is going to get 40, so 20 and 40. So now in equipment, I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so that is it for my business binder. Okay, and then I'm going to go into my, well, this is what I call my planning ahead binder. And I'm going to go all the way to the back and go to annual laptop subscriptions. And this is going to get 20. So now in here I have 100 in the bank, 50, 70, 90, 200. And this is just to save up for my subscriptions that I need on my laptop, such as my virus protection, Adobe, Microsoft 365. Okay. And then I'm going to go into my low priority, and there are 2 envelopes getting stuffed in here. And the funds that I am stuffing, this is my pay part of my Etsy Pay. Okay, so I'm going back here to Mommy Daddy Dates, and this is going to get 17. So 10, 15, 16, 17. So now this has 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 100. And this will actually eventually get unstuffed in a video that I'll be doing soon because we did go on a seafood boil date. Okay, and then cash stuffing is going to get 12, and this is a challenge from Angela with MSO Budgets. Oops. Should have had my marker ready. And this is going to get 12. So I'm going to fill in 2 of these $6 houses. So 10, 11, and 12. Okay, so now cash stuffing has 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 6, and 7, 87. And I have definitely already spent this because I've done a lot of shopping for items for cash stuffing. And I think so much that I will end up needing to do just a separate video to show the Happy Mail. Okay, that's it for this binder. And then lastly, going into my holiday or events binder here. And we're gonna go to the back. And we're gonna go to Girls' Day. And this is a challenge by Chris with Budgeting with Chris. And I am doing $20 in here today. So I'm going to go ahead and grab 14 and 6. Then that just leaves an 8 and a 12 for 20 left for this challenge. Okay, so now towards this challenge, there's 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 10, 15, 20, 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 30. And then also in this envelope, that's not going towards this challenge, is 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. I haven't decided yet what Livy and I are going to do for a girls' day, but $159 will be a good chunk to be able to go do something together. Okay, and lastly is daddy-daughter time. I am going to be completing this little challenge by Angela with MSO Budgets so that I can put this money towards the using portion of this envelope for my husband and Livy. And each set of dim sum is worth 5 I made, and so we're going to finish this off and we're going to add 10. Okay. And so for the challenge, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 75. Now I get to combine this with this back part. And now they have to use 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, oops, let's put it in the right order. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 6, 7, 8, $98. They did recently, their thing that they do is they like to go to Dairy Queen and get ice cream. So they've recently used some of that, of the portion that they can touch. So $98 will buy quite a bit of ice cream. Okay, so that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.